Honest recruiting is an option. You won't use your brain and thunder.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all see from the title, we're having a Washington DC trip. Don't play. I'm about to get ready, guys, and I might just see y'all later on the bus because I don't have like a lot of storage on my phone, so I don't want to talk too much. So I'll just see y'all when I'm on the bus with all my friends. All right, y'all, so this is my fit for today. I got a little bag, the shoes, don't play. Little jewelry, you know, got 2 chains on, don't play. And the hat, let me see the back of the shirt. Yeah. Nice. Don't play, don't play. Yeah, don't play. Yeah.
You know, we out here. We're about to go on this trip. Dress up.
Yeah, don't play. Play, y'all. We on this bus. Don't play.
Yes. Okay.
Don't play. Alright. Yeah, don't play.
Minute since we last kicked. By the way.
Guys, so we just gotta eat at McDonald's, don't play. Don't play. He went to McDonald's so bad till he died, don't play. I'm probably gonna take a picture of the museum or the fashion center. I don't know yet, but the bus is high. We were quiet at first thought. And it's so foggy down here in DC. It is really foggy, but let me start recording y'all because my phone is about to die. They'll take a picture. Take a picture. Elements now. I'm trying to be like elements. So bad. Look, y'all. I like this color in the light. It looks better. Don't play.
Hello, guys.
Hey, guys. So we go. Here they go. They
Down in DC.
Yeah, you know, we just this. We get a little trip every here and there.
Yeah.
Every here and there. You know. Ooh, look at all those people.
Everybody be there today.
Yeah. Don't play. Don't play.
I love flowers.
Don't play, don't play.
Don't play, babe, don't play.
Yeah,
Don't
never
play
been
on
one.
this Bad Friday.
Never been one. Yeah. Don't play with the little White House, you know. You know, went in, looked at a little museum, you know, don't play. Never been one. Don't play. Don't play. Yeah, don't play. Although not the bus, yeah, you know. Don't play, y'all. We at the museum. We at the museum. Yeah. Don't play. Don't play. We got Lisa, y'all. So, we're at the museum.
Ooh, you should do a fit check.
I was at the museum. Everybody dressed so nice today, y'all. Oh. Yeah, me and this in here right now. It looks really good in here. I like the vibe in here.
Feeling real black.
Yeah, it's really. I like the dark vibe in here. It looks like we on the floor. It looks really good in here though.
Way that she can get it, say bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about.
Pretty much, y'all. That was like a few clips of the museum. I ain't gonna share no more because my phone about to die. So I'll see y'all at probably the mall. All right, guys. So say hey, guys.
What's good? Good. Hello.
And yeah, so we just got done eating food. Say hey, Leah.
Oh, so guys, I'm very much not full. The food didn't really give for me.
Yeah, the food didn't give what it was supposed to give.
did not give what it was supposed to give.
Yeah.
And the wind is blowing all of my hair, so I got my hair a little pony.
Yeah, but she's gonna fix that back up for a little bit. She's gonna fix that back up because I'm not claiming her with that right here.
Stuff, honey.
Alright guys, so hey, but we're waiting to go to the mall. I'm about to go to another museum, but I'm not recording that museum because we walked around for like hours. Yeah, hours. And I'm not recording. Yeah. We're not meant to like 2 o'clock in the morning because our bus driver asleep. So yeah. So like it was not it.
We made it right, but I
Okay. Yeah, I had, I don't know, what was in my little Philly cheese steak? They're messing up, but the area is cute. The area is cute. Yeah, a lot of people, as y'all can see. There's a lot of people. I feel like I'm in New York though. Yeah. And they're not.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water, like you wear me out. Arguments, you wear me out. Tripping about you, worry about you. I can't keep no comfort with you, boy.
It's so weird when I record like this, y'all, like my back camera. I feel like I look like inverted, but like my face is symmetrical. You know what I mean? So we're inside the train station, y'all. Like, we're riding a train to the mall. Oh my gosh, look.
I just cashed out on all this.
Yeah. Big bad, don't play. Big bad. All I heard was walk. Right. Y'all, this train station is kind of scary. I don't know about this now. Right. Swear. Ooh, Bob blew me away. Girl. No, Lisa, no. So we're on the train, and I am so dizzy. Like, it's just going by so fast. Look, y'all, look outside. Like,
it's not even that busy.
It's so fast. I said it's so fast.
No, they're not.
She wanna stand up like she in New York. She wanna be in New York so bad, girl. Right. When she had to get her here and go home to that Oh my gosh, but yeah, guys, I'm really gonna see y'all for real now at the mall. I know I'm supposed to say that in each video, but I'm really gonna see y'all at the mall for real. Guys, so we're about to walk in the mall. Don't play. Yeah, don't play.
You making YouTube?
Yeah. So we're about to walk to the mall, y'all. We're walking in the mall. Fashion center at Pentagon City, don't play. Simon Mall. Never been to one. I have to go to the mall. Y'all know how I am. Yeah. Oh, and I made a little TikTok, y'all. I ain't gonna mention that TikTok. Don't play. Really ate. I don't know if y'all can hear me. It's really loud out here. Listen, you don't have enough of that. It's so big. Oh my God. Look at Apple, y'all. Don't play. Yeah. Where you going? Girl. It's so big in here. Look at the matching, y'all. They got matching outfits. Okay. Why y'all separating? Y'all, it's so big. You is everywhere, girl. This what? What's that? No, I ain't hear that. Girl, you get one little bag. Girl, bye. There's some classy stuff now. They got hair? Oh, okay. I wonder where I should go. Men's design clothing. Men's design clothing. Y'all, this mall is so big. Oh my gosh.
Works on any kind of shoe, any kind of material.
Alright.
Leather shoes, lady shoes, nylon, nubuck. Keep your shoes looking fresh and clean. It takes off dirt stains, oil stains, mud stains, grass stains, grease stains. Pretty much anything that could ever make your shoe dirty, right? And it's a black owned vendor, right?
Alright.
How y'all day go today?
Good.
This right here is a water and stain repellent. It makes your shoes waterproof, right? So let's say like you went out to eat one night and then you spilled sauce or a drink all over your shoe. It's gonna roll off just like a marble, bro. It's not gonna leave no type of stain on your shoe. Aside from me, tell me what you think.
Alright. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Try to grab you up a box.
I find somewhere to take pictures, y'all, because yeah, don't play. But I really would have bought that stuff, y'all, for my shoe, but I don't have money in my car. I only have money in cash, and that's for my food and stuff. But that stuff is really good. That was worth it. That was really worth it, y'all. I definitely agree that was worth it. y'all couldn't take right pictures, but it's really dark over here, so we gotta find a good place to take these pictures at, because it's dark right there. So let's find us a better place. It's so many floors. We gotta climb. Oh my god, these escalators don't work, y'all. There's so many floors in here. Oh, wait, let me on the top floor then. Yeah, we on the top floor now. Don't mind me breathing hard, y'all. These stores are like that. Goldsboro could never. Right, won't we just, bruh. Won't we just right here? Y'all got these shirts. Crowded in here. I was trying to say, why are we going to a dress room? No way. I just grew with all them out of nowhere, y'all. I swear I was just not by them. We on the bus. Everybody is not in the mood right now, y'all. It's kind of like 7 something, about to be 8 o'clock. But some shit went down and everybody's not in the mood, y'all. It's a mess, a hot mess. All right, guys, before I get into everything that happened, like the real tea about what happened at DC, my package came, so let's just pause for I can thumbnail real quick. But guys, I'm about to show y'all what's in here. Did I see my address? Got graphic tee. You got another graphic tee. So let's get into this. Alright, this blue hat and glasses. I don't know which ones these are though, y'all. Another pair of glasses. Another pair of glasses. Another pair of glasses. A jewelry wall. Oh, I got another pack too. Right there. All this stuff. My little brother, y'all, he's sweet. But here's everything. It's a lot of stuff. I don't remember ordering this much now. Alright guys, so currently editing the video. Let me get like a little rundown about what happened in DC. Pretty much our girls ended up getting into it with some DC girls. The DC girls kept on like egging on ours, like following them, all that extra stuff, like just doing too much. And so when ours finally popped off, it was a little problem and a little fight did break out like between ours and theirs, and we had to get escorted out the mall. That's why like at the mall, y'all, it ended off so weirdly because like we had to get escorted out, like literally like they started kicking our group out, telling us we got to go and all that, and we had to load into the bus and like wait a while for everybody to get on the bus and stuff. It was just like too much. Like that was not how I wanted the trip to end, y'all. The trip ended off like a bad way. Like the bus ride back was just straight talking about the situation, and then like us just sleeping and being quiet the whole time because like it just didn't give. Like that was a bad way to end the trip off. But like it was still a great experience overall, guys. We all still enjoyed what we did, and even on the bus we still kind of laughed at what happened a little bit. Cause they tore them, our girls tore them girls up, but like at the same time it still wasn't good because like nobody didn't plan on fighting. We didn't want no fight to happen. Like we was egging no fight on. Like it just, they popped off, and yeah. But hope you guys liked the video. I tried to get a lot of scenery, like when it came to me like recording. I tried to get like a lot of recording of like the stuff and the places and all that. I wanted y'all to get a good glimpse of what I got too. That's why I did a lot of recording of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and just overall, if you guys subscribe after watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.